Back a long time ago when I lived on the ranch in Kamloops, BC, we had a large irrigation lake just across the hayfields from our house. And we'd go down there in winter because this thing would freeze solid. We could go skating on it. We'd play ice hockey and skate all around the lake and everything. It was great, but it was freezing cold. I mean, Kamloops back in those days would get down to minus 20s, minus 30s. And you'd come back up to the house, you'd be freezing cold. There was nothing like a hot drink. Like a hot drink like this. This is a hot spiced maple apple cider. And yeah, that'd warm you up after a day of skating or skiing, anything else. Easy to make. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. To make our hot spiced maple apple cider, what we've got here is a 1 liter bottle. That's about 34 fluid ounces of unfiltered apple juice or apple cider. Any kind of apple juice will work. I like the unfiltered because it's got a bit more body to it. What we're going to do with that is just throw it into a medium-sized pot. Just pour it all in there. And now, while we're prepping all this up, let's get this slowly heating up. So turn the heat on. Put that somewhere just a little bit below medium. Medium is fine. Just where you want to just bring it up to a simmer. What I have here is 1 orange which has been cut into 8 wedges. And then into that orange we're going to stud it with 15 cloves, 15, 16 cloves, whatever, it's not critical the amount. And then I have here a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. As you can see, I'm using the more robust, darker, heavily flavored maple syrup, but any maple syrup will do the job. Light golden is fine. And then here I've got 4 cinnamon sticks. Now these are going to go in there too, and then afterwards you can put them into each glass to nice little decoration to go with your drink. So let's get these studded with cloves. What we do, I like to find just a skewer. And I find it easier because they're quite thick skin. Is just to make the hole, take the clove, stick the clove in, just the head sticking out, and here. And then we're just going to repeat that with all of these. And there we go. That was the most labor-intensive part of making our hot cider. So now I just slip those oranges in there, and in goes the cinnamon sticks, in goes the maple syrup. So just everything goes in the pot. All right, that's all the preparation done. So now, let's just give it a little stir. The maple syrup distributed, and what we're going to do now, bring that up to a simmer, and then once it's simmering, we'll get the lid on there, it'll simmer a bit faster. Once it's simmering, let it simmer for 20 minutes, and then we're ready to have our nice hot drink. See you in 20. All right, that's been simmering for about 20 minutes now. So let's just get the lid off, have a look. Oh, that's looking very good. All right, so what we're going to do now, first, we're just going to pick out some of the solids. All right, so the oranges can go in a bowl. Now save these oranges because they're really good to eat. Get a little bit of that apple juice in there, a little bit of maple syrup infused into these oranges. Delicious. All right, so we're going to set those aside and people can enjoy those later. And we also want to get the cinnamon sticks out. Oh, looks like some of these fell apart this time. I actually got these cinnamon sticks from a new spice supplier, and wow, they're very natural looking, which is good, but they tend to fall apart. All right, there we go. Get all that out of there. Okay, let's put those aside and we'll put those cinnamon sticks into a drink afterwards. So, now let's pour ourselves a drink. Turn that off. And just, oh, look at that. It's got that nice color from the maple syrup. That's why if you can get the robust syrup, it just adds quite a bit of nice color to this. All right, got that. Grab one of our cinnamon sticks, put it in there. You could even float an orange on top or put it over the edge like this. And there we go. Hot spiced maple apple cider. That'll warm you up on a cold winter's night. Enjoy. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for hot spiced maple apple cider on our website. So go print a recipe, have fun making and eating this hot drink, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.